across my skin. They're not the worst of what's within. I made a deal I can't take back. That metal bursts through every crack. The pain's become my lullaby as pieces of me say goodbye. Rip me up, tear me down. Still got flesh beneath this cloud. Still human, still breathing, still here. They point still like I'm insane. While all the blood runs through my veins. You want a monster? Here's the truth. I never asked for any proof. Each twisted change, each broken bone just helps me feel less alone. Wrap me up, tear me down. Still got flesh beneath this cloud. Still human, still breathing, still here. Fuck your sympathy, I own this hell. Each spear and blade's got tales to tell. The machine inside won't let me rest, but somewhere in this iron chest, my heart beats wrong, my heart beats true. Despite the shit I've turned into,